everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I curl my hair. So one of my favorite companies sent over a 5-in-1 curling wand and it is amazing. I just love products that are blush pink. And also just the packaging is really pretty. I love it, and the actual hair tools are chrome pink. So I'm going to show you guys one more time. And also I will link everything below. You guys can get 30% off on all the hair tools if you use my discount code, which is TP. And let me open it up for you guys. So it has all of these in here, so it's 5 of them in here. And it's chrome pink. I have this one here. I have it up to 420. I know I shouldn't be using a lot of heat on my hair, but it gets the job done. So be doing the 420, and then I use the smaller wand. So yeah, let's get into it. So I just blow dried my hair. Just gonna brush it out. I'm gonna brush out what I'm going to curl. So then I get a small section. So it's already warmed up. It's up to 420. So then I just wrap my hair over the wand. So then you get this pretty curl. Make sure I stay a little bit away from the, let me show you guys. A little bit far away from right here. I'm gonna start like from over here. Cause then the curls are gonna look, to me I feel like it looks funny. Like it looks a little weird if I curl it from right there. And it doesn't really take that long. I don't leave it on for that long because it's curling really fast.
Also, make sure that you do curl away from your face, and you do the same thing on the left side and the right side as well.
And that's it. So this is how you curl it, and then what you want to do, you want to brush it out. I do it with my hands because, I mean, you could do it with a brush, but I feel like it gives it the soft look. Brush it out just a tiny bit. So it doesn't give it a rough texture. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, I did want to add, if you guys do want to get these hair tools, I will link everything below, and you can also get 30% off using my discount code TP. So yeah guys, if you guys want to see more videos like these, or just comment below and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.